The field of this project is digital signal processing, and the main goal was to perform a temperature compensation. The partner company is Mechmine, which deals mainly with the development of predictive maintenance solutions in industrial applications. This company provided us with a test bench consisting of motor and vibration sensors that you can see in this image. Our first task was to create a supervised environment by developing two control systems for rotation speed and temperature. After measuring the vibration signals at different temperatures, we had to show that there was indeed a temperature dependency. Subsequently, we created a model to describe and compensate it.
The existing test bench was improved by adding two regulators to control the temperature and rotation of the bearing. The tests are executed automatically in order to collect vibration data of the bearing at different conditions. Multiple tests were performed in order to obtain a set of data. In the end, a compensation algorithm was developed and tested. In the following graphics are reported the histograms of tests before and after the compensation.